Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. So these two kitties are cuddling together, and this was requested by Jennifer. So I hope you like it, Jennifer. So we're just kind of mapping in the shapes, kind of treating the two kitties as one unit. You want a lot of overlap between the two kitties in a case like this because they got to look like they're cuddling, right? So you want them kind of squished up together. And thank you for that request, Jennifer. Put that muzzle in there. That's that little smile on the bottom kitty. And the bottom kitty is kind of hard to see at first, which is kind of what I find makes the picture appealing too, is you just kind of see one kitty at first and then notice that bottom kitty at the bottom. Well, I do anyways. Just shaping everything at this stage. Good stage for corrections. I'm just allowing my lines to kind of flow together too. You know, kind of lines to with the same energy, the same kind of flow in all the lines really helps unify the drawing, even if they aren't exactly that way in the photo. You got to give the drawing what it needs. And I would love to hear what you want to learn about cat drawing. Let me know in the comments. Put video idea in capital letters so I can find it easier. And if you have an idea that's within my realm, I'll do my best to get it on here. The only thing I don't do a lot of is the purebreds because I want to focus on rescue cats. And unless they're a type of cat that you see often in rescue, you probably won't see it on here by me if it's a fancy purebred. I just think there's already enough cats in the world that need to be rescued, and I don't think we need to be breeding more. But I love doing cats in different situations, different positions and things. Getting up to different things, getting into trouble like cats are good at. Just giving the touch-ups now. Just smear those out so it softens the edges. And it's just a quick sketch. It's really just a gesture sketch. You could go so much farther with a sketch like this, but it gives you your foundation. And then you can decide where you're going to take it. Helps you build skills. And it's fun. You want that look of the cat, kind of their faces kind of squishing together, fur melding into fur. I like it. Thanks so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.